How's that look for a winter's morning? She's cold and wet. Going to meet Andy at Buninyong. The plan was Lal Lal. See how we go. It's been a very wet week. Trucks are going to be a mess, so we'll see how we go. Oh, that looks slippery. Oh well, look at that. Cool. Oh yeah. Oh shit. The hill these guys are trying to climb. Yeah, good luck. Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
I reckon this is the camp.
Yep.
Where I'm going to take you to the top of the hill there. I reckon this must have been their camp.
Yeah, right.
There's these workings all along the top of that ridge there.
Yeah.
Down bottom of that one, there's fucking 2 adits that go.
Yeah, righto.
Underneath it.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, look at this.
Ooh, it's fucking cold.
Far out there, she's bloody steep. Yeah, same. They're cracking up. Oh yeah. Oh no, that's a fairly decent hill Andy just rode up, so we'll have a look. Not as bad as the hill these guys are trying to get up. Little 2-stroke enduro bike, 2 guys pushing it. Can't see enough of it to pick a line. That doesn't look too bad. Nice and rocky. Whoa, here we go, look at this. Very good. There's fresh tyre tracks in this. Oh wow, look at that. Truck goes up the hill. Shit, that's steep. Let's go have a look at this mine. Oh, I thought there was a big crack across the top, and no, it's just a tree root. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Let me get this light on. The drill holes. I can almost stand up. We're up probably about 5 feet. A little bird's nest. Yep, there's Andy. There's an old sleeper there. Oh, look at that. There's a drill hole there.
Yeah, you can see it, yeah.
Yeah, nice. So that's where they blast, is that right?
Yeah, this is, yeah, well, this is and it's quite often see the candles.
Wow. So does that go far that way? Or?
It comes from dead end, but it's worth having a look because you've got a gobbing wall up there.
Righto, I'm going to have a quick look.
Yeah. You know, there's a big sort of a bloody opening up behind with those.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, wow. Look at that. That is cool. Is that it? Does it keep going?
No,
that's it?
Stops just up there.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, it gets a bit narrow.
You must be running out of steam or money or something. Yeah, under here in candlelight, though.
For some reason my microphone just stopped working here, but we come across this vertical drop. It was very, very deep. You couldn't see the bottom, but the width and length of the cutout was the same as a mine shaft I was in last week, and I jumped over it easily, but the difference was it was only a couple of feet deep. So I was very tempted to jump this one, but if it went wrong and I fell, I would have been in a hell of a lot of trouble. So I decided against it and we turned back. Yep, she's ready to drop. Oh yeah, yeah, well, it's nice and open in there. Definitely had some land slippage. Yeah, so you reckon that wasn't there last time you were here?
No.
No.
It was a little bit blocked, but nothing like that.
Yeah. This has all dropped recently. And you can see cracking across there, so that could drop at any time. It's eroded away. Pretty dicey. Oh yeah. Well mate, that was hard work walking up that hill in full bike gear. I know I'm going to cool off quick, but oh man, sorry if I'm heavy breathing. But yeah, that was really cool. I don't know what footage I got, the camera was playing up. I should have footage, but maybe not audio, we'll see. The enduro tracks are crazy down there, massive hills. Even like walking up this track, it looked alright, and I thought, yeah, this will be good on the bike, but now that I'm on the bike, I'm a bit nervous. Oh, we're going in the gully. Oh. All the tracks down in the gully were all fresh too, like the tyre tracks in them. The guys have been through there today, I reckon, or yesterday. Absolutely nuts. Oh shit, we're going. How am I going to get around there now? I got crossed up. Let's see if I can get it around that. I'm not going to get around there, am I? I'm going to have to go down here. Can I get back over there or not? Probably not. How do I get into this mess? Oh here. I don't know how I got into that mess. It slid sideways into the bushes. You get down here and it looks like a nicer track, but it's very slick. So these kind of rough tracks that are gravel and stuff aren't that bad. Oh, I don't know if you can see the mud coming off his back tyre. That is just clay. It's only a short section. Wow. Oh, that's better. Truck down there. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Too much for this bike, especially in these conditions. They stuck? Oh shit, I got a might be a good spot for lunch. Sit on the side of the hill there and watch. Caravan's off, isn't it? Yep. So I'll take that around too. Well, they managed to get the caravan and the four-wheel drive around, hooked back up. They've just got to get this out of this off-camber truck still. Good luck. Bit of lunchtime entertainment for us. Unsuitable for towing vehicles. Got to decide what to do with this bike. It might be going very soon. I may have a new to me bike coming very soon, and it's going to be quite similar to this one, but just a bit better off-road. So I don't particularly want two similar bikes. I think, yeah, I'm not really interested in having a whole heap of bikes. It's too much to keep them all on the road and going in running order. Mount Duran, no shooting. Yeah, really need something a bit lighter. I've had this bike for 9 years now. I was kind of thinking of getting rid of it when I first started modifying it, and then I got hooked on the modifying bug. Very happy what I've turned this bike into, but once I got that rear tyre on, or the rear 18-inch wheel, I kind of felt like the job was complete. Shit, which way did he go? Oh, up there. It's all like freshly churned up dirt here. I'm guessing they've had a dozer through here at some stage. Didn't exactly smooth it, just bloody churned it all up. All the quartz in the track. Leave a bit of a gap. Righto, let's go. Get up to second. It's not too bad. Oh, maybe. Oh, get out of there. Bike just goes where it wants. What do we got here? There's the timber everywhere. Yeah, I was just saying those lightning strikes started a fire up here. Yeah, check that out. It's a long way down. Yeah, I was saying before about the bulldoze tracks, that would have been because of the fire here. They would have been just bulldozing a fire break. And care about the truck too much, they would have just ran through the dozers, getting rid of all the leaf litter and all the dry timber, all the fuel. Righto, a couple of cool mine shafts there. Yeah, I think we're going to call it quits here. I think we've pushed our luck enough today. Just come up this little quartz mountain here. There's quite a deep mine shaft there. Little Himalayan's gone. Righto, yeah, I'll sign out here. Thanks a lot to Andy for showing me around Lal Lal. Lots of great tracks in here, lots of great stuff to see. Heaps of mines, mining activity, and some very, very slimy tracks. Like I reckon that hill there is not overly big, but should be a bloody slippery one. This one was bad enough. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I shall see you next time. Oh man. I've jinxed myself. I said no one stacked it today. This isn't a big hill, but it's a greasy one. Oh, we're going in that. Oh, I'll miss that one. Oh, oh, fucking hell. Oh, there he is. Oh no, we made it out of there. Oh. A little bit of traction on this stuff. We get the front wheel up.